Dear children, we are in the exercise 1.6. The first question, which is very familiar to us, is 64 power 1 by 2. See solution, let's do it. Solution first. 64 power 1 by 2. There are two ways by which we can do it. 64 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4 to the 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, 32 and 64 power 1 by 2. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 power 6 and outside it is 1 by 2. This got cancelled. So it is what? 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. Answer is 8. Got it? Like 32 also, or it can be, or it can also be done it by 64 power 1 by 2. We know that 64 is the square of 64 is the square of 8. 8 is 64. 8 square is 64. 1 by 2. This got cancelled. This answer is 8. It can also be done like that. 32 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times. See, I am doing it here. 32 power 1 by 5. 32 is 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32. Bracket, it is 1 by 5. So it is 2 power 5 and outside the bracket it is 1 by 5. This 5 and 5 got cancelled. 2 power 1, that is equal to 2. Got it? One question. I want you to do it. Second question here is, see, it is same. I'll do it one for you. Another question you do it. Solution first of second. 9 power 3 by 2. 9 is the square of 3. So it can be written as 3 square. 9 is equal to 3 square. And outside the bracket it is 3 by 2. Bracket means multiply. 3 power 2 into 3 by 2. This got cancelled. And it is 3 cube. 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3, that is equal to 27. This you can do it by yourself. Chalo, come on, fourth one I am doing it for you. Fourth one. Fourth one is what? 125 whole power minus 1 by 3. Right? So let us write down. 125 means 5 into 5 into 5. That is minus 1 by 3. That is 5 cube. And outside it is minus 1 by 3. This 3 and 3 got cancelled. So it is 5 power minus 1. If power is minus, it will go down 1 by 5. You all know laws of indices that you have studied in your previous classes. Fine. Let us see third question. Third question, let us solve first question. Solution. 2 power 2 by 3. Dot means multiply. 2 power 1 by 5. The laws of exponents, what does it say? It says that if the bases are same, powers are added. Let us see. Bases are same, powers are added. 2 power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Now solve it again. This is 2 base. You cannot add it like that. 3 5s are 15 and then 5 2s are 10 plus 3 1s are 3. It is what? 2 base. It is 10 plus 3 13 upon 15. This is your answer. Got it? This is first. Let us see second one. Okay, let's see second one then. Solution of second. Second is 1 upon 3 cube whole power 7. It is what? Bracket means multiplication. It is 1 power 7 and 3 power 3 into 7. It is equal to 1 power 7 is equal to 1 only, and 3 sevens are 21, 3 power 21. This is second question. See third one, solution of third one. Third one, 2, 3. It is what? 11 power 1 by 2 upon 11 power 1 by 4. When multiply means addition, division means subtraction. So it will be what? 11 upon means division. 11 power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. I hope everybody remembers laws of exponents. So minus, let's solve it. It will be 11 power. This is base, is LCM is what? 4. 2 and 4. Its LCM is 4. 2 2s are 4. So write down 2. Minus 4 1s are 4. Make it 1. It is 11 power 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 4. This is your answer. I am leaving this question for you. Okay, come on. I think I should do it because this is fourth question. Solution of fourth question. What is fourth question? Is 7 power 1 by 2 and into 8 power 1 by 2. Laws of exponents says that if bases are different and power is same, you multiply 7 into 8, power same, 1 by 2. It is 7 8s are 56. 56 power 1 by 2. That is your answer. Okay. This whole exercise, once you see the video and then you do it by yourself. Okay.